So now we're going to explain our proposed system, blood point. So what you're going to see right now is different features of our system. So first, we're going to input email and password. So before that, you need to become a member for you to log in. So we're gonna put your full name, email, password, retyping it, number, address, the city, your gender or your sex, then your blood type. Then you can select the birth date also. Then mark distribute on. So we have the email already. We're going to log in now. So before that, the email that you entered will give you a Firebase link in your Gmail account. So this you'll see this one. So you're going to click it. If you're going to reset your password, then if you're going to verify your blood point email, so after you click it, you'll see that your request has expired or the link has already been used, because we have already the email, we have already the verified email earlier today. So we're going here. So now we're going to see the home, profile, achievements, find blood donor, and log out. Now sa profile naman po, you're going to input your name, your telephone number or cell phone number, your place, then your gender and your blood type, tapos yung birth date din po, then update profile. So for our post blood request, you're going to put the mobile number in place po, then yung city, then for example Baggerhat, then your blood type din po, tapos meron din write about patient at most 160 characters, then submit request. Tapos now makikita po ito dito sa doc. Ayun po, nakita na po siya. Sinil Salvador, 8:56 AM. Now, yung sa achievements naman po, makikita nyo po yun kung kailan ulit pwedeng makapag-donate ng blood. So nakalagay po dyan, you can donate blood again after 120 days or like approximately 4 months after nyo po unang mag-donate ng dugo. So total donated one time, tas last donated ngayong araw. And that's it po. Then you can log out.